Hey guys, Chief Williams Unfiltered. I had to replace the fog lights on my car, so I decided to upgrade them to LED halos. I actually ordered them from carid.com, and they were custom built by a company called Oracle out of New Orleans, Louisiana. So what they do is they take the factory OEM fog lights or headlights for your car, and they actually open them up and put LEDs, whatever color you want, inside the light and then seal them back up, and they come with a warranty. I think it's a 3-year warranty. I'll send you the link to their website. So I just recorded myself coming up towards the camera, and so I took them to a shop near my house called Auto Illusions, and they added a switch just to turn the halos on and off, and then the fog lights are still worked by the factory fog light switch. And on my car, the daytime running lights are LEDs also. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.